My name is Anthony Scotto. I'm here in New York City at the Virtual Beach after a brutal winter, and I'm here to accept Charles Donato's challenge to get Gen 4 certified. So let's look at the history of flash storage in the data center. It started in 2008 when we first introduced flash into our Symmetrix arrays. That really helped with the performance, but it added a level of complexity as to what workload should go on flash, what workload should go on spinning disk, and how to manage that. So we introduced fast or fully automated storage tiering, but that still provided a level of complexity in our arrays. So that spawned the Generation 2 players. Generation 2 players learned from this and made it very simple, made an easy button to tier between flash storage and spinning disk. However, these Gen 2 players, such as Tintri and Nimble, could not scale to the point of VMAX and provide the reliability, availability, and the data services that VMAX had. So it was a little bit of compromise in their ability to scale up to really enter the data center mainstream. That spawned a new generation of competitors, which we call Gen 3, that took these legacy array architectures and created all-flash arrays. However, because they took the legacy scale-up architectures of traditional arrays, you had a compromise between high performance and inline data services. So the players such as Pure, such as Texas Memory, such as Whiptail came out, and you either had to choose an architecture that gave you very high performance, but that didn't have the inline efficiencies and data services you needed, or you had the data services and efficiency at the compromise of performance. So that leads to Gen 4, where we learned from Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3 and created an all-flash array from the ground up that created a scale-out architecture versus a scale-out architecture that led to inline data services with no compromise to performance. Always on data services. These Gen 4 architectures are the future of the all-flash data center, and that future is today, and XtremIO is the unquestioned leader in the all-flash data center. So I feel like I've been Gen 4 certified. I'd like to thank Charles for nominating me, and I nominate my district managers to get Gen 4 certified. Thank you, and good luck.